Going.
You not?
Mm-mm. No, I wasn't. I just started. It just started.
Because of that, it's usually like a better kind of season, or you're to do this, or
Well, no, this is like it's
I,
harvest time. We could have
yeah, it is harvest time now.
brushed them before and gotten that all out. I'm very allergic to their fur, so I'm not doing
Oh,
that these days.
okay.
But these are younger rabbits. They usually have a molt a couple months into their lives, regardless of what time of year it is as they get their adult coat. So I don't know. You could probably brush them before.
And you don't smell nothing here. When I be telling people that I be coming around to the local, they was like, it's probably stick around there. And I was like, no, it don't. It does not. Would y'all stop being so negative? Because I'm telling you, I'm going to own me some land one day.
This stuff is just
Hey.
fur off. You could just rip it, but
Uh-huh.
you prefer it like intact. So
Mm-hmm. You're doing great, Mama. You're doing great.
okay, I took it off.
I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy I met you. Thank God. Oh, let me go. He almost done over there. Let me go turn this off.